I am Chrissi Bernardo. I am a product manager here at AHA. I work with cross-functional teams to launch new products and features for our customers and help ensure that we are delivering the complete product experience. I love knowing that the work that we do helps make our customers' jobs easier, and this role is also incredibly unique at AHA in that we are product managers for software that is used to build products. I think about it kind of like a multiplier, where if I'm able to deliver something valuable to our customers, they are then in turn able to help deliver more value to their customers, and that's really rewarding too. What I would tell an early career product manager is to remember that it is not your job to come up with all the ideas for your product. You are constantly working with cross-functional teams, so take advantage of their expertise and always seek their feedback. In addition to that, always engage with your customers directly as well. The more you do that, the more you learn about the problems that they face, and that in turn will help you as you define your roadmap. That's something that's actually really important for me, to always stay learning, and it's something that I have a dedicated time block for. And AHA also has an incredible program called the Fred's Education Fund, where each teammate is eligible for third-party education. Week after week, I am always just in awe hearing about what everyone's been able to deliver. This team really accomplishes a lot, and it's really fulfilling to be a part of that.